Good afternoon, Meridel.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Can you tell me about yourself?
I'm Meridel Abukay Lumokso. I'm 32 years old. I came from Dipolog City, Zamboanga del Norte, Philippines. I am married with one son. I am Christian. I am college graduate with a course of an associate in computer technology.
Okay, I have few questions for you to answer, so let's start. Why do you want to work as a maid?
To earn money and to help my family.
Okay, why you choose Malaysia when there's a lot of other country?
Because it's near in Philippines and the same culture and climates.
Okay, how are you qualified for this job?
Because I'm physically fit.
Okay, may I know what is your educational level?
College graduate.
Okay, what is your recent experience?
Domestic helper.
Okay, have you worked abroad before?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please tell me what place in how many years you work for?
I worked in Kuwait for 2 years.
Okay. Do you have experience of taking care of baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Whose baby you taking care of?
My son and my employer before.
Okay. And how about elderly people?
My grandmother.
Okay. Do you have any other special skills?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please tell me what is your special skills?
Computer literate.
Okay. Are you willing to learn new skills?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with a family where the mother-in-law or any relatives stay together?
Yes, ma'am.
Currently, are you still working now?
No, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What sort of food can you cook?
Filipino food and Arabian food.
Okay, are you aware that you will have to do washing, cleaning, ironing, and cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
From all the house chores, which do you like most?
Cleaning.
Okay, if ever you were selected to work in Malaysia, who will take care of your kids?
My husband.
You are not allowed to use handphone during working hours.
Yes, ma'am.
You are only allowed to use handphone after you finish all the works and when going to bed.
Yes, ma'am.
You are strictly needed to surrender the handphone to your employer in the morning, and your employer will return back to you once you're going to bed.
Yes, I will.
If ever your employer find out that you're abusing of using your handphone and it's affected your work performance, your employer will confiscate your handphone and you are not allowed to hold it anymore. Instead, the employer will allow you to call to your family 3 times in a month. You're only allowed to bring normal phone and you are not allowed to bring smartphone. Are you agreed for the terms and condition?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you agreed to the rules and regulation of the handphone?
Yes, ma'am.
How many years is the contract as you agreed and understand?
2 years.
Okay, can you describe for me your ethics?
I am a person, hardworking, dependable, and trustworthy.
Okay, how can you assure to us that you will work hard in Malaysia?
I will finish my contract.
Can you promise not to use the telephone without the permission of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to put on makeup but to dress properly while work?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to invite friends and relatives without the consent of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to ask for advance salary from your employer under any circumstances?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you really understand of the rules and regulation of the agency?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you pay any placement fee for you to come to Malaysia to work as a maid?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any history of sickness, example breast cancer or any other illness?
No, ma'am.
Do you suffer from any skin diseases, allergy, or physical defect?
No, ma'am.
Have you suffered from any serious illness?
No, ma'am.
Have you undergone any operation?
Yes, ma'am. Cesarean operation.
Okay. Are you medically fit?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you on any medication?
No, ma'am.
Are you allergic with any food?
No, ma'am.
Are you prepared to work for the employer of any race?
Yes, ma'am.
I repeat, are you prepared to work for the employer of any race?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you prepared to eat the type of food taken by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of being left alone in the house?
No, ma'am.
Are you afraid of dogs or other pets?
No, ma'am.
Can you promise to work according to instruction from your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any immediate family working in Malaysia?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Meridel, we have finished our question section. Let's go to case study. I have a case study for you and I want you to answer me truthfully. Okay? Okay, number 1. Upon arrival in Malaysia within 6 months, if ever any of your family members passed away, what will you do? Will you continue to work till finish your contract or you will go back?
I will finish my contract.
Okay, number 2. Tell us about yourself and why do you want to work in Malaysia as domestic helper?
I am Meredith Labukay Lumukso. I am honest and hardworking.
Okay, Maridel, what do you want to tell the employer who watching your video right now?
I will serve in your family. I hope you trust me and hope you choose me for your as a housemate.
Okay, thank you very much, Meridel. We will update to your agency if there's any selection made by the employer.